Transition Managera Academy is the first in Poland innovative project management training program based on PMI Talent Triangle, where we teach not only how to run complex projects and programs in the most efficient way, but also help people to move through personal transition. In today's complex business environment, to succeed, just having the technical domain skills, it's not enough. To truly succeed, we also need leadership capabilities and strategic and business management proficiency. That's why, apart from general project management modules, the program covers other skills and competences, such as organization transition, leadership, virtual and multicultural team management, facilitation, coaching and mentoring, creative problem solving, and visual thinking. After completing the academy, the participants should be able to plan and execute complex transition and transformation initiatives. The delegates will also be able to understand and behave authentically in all leadership situations. And what's the most important? Identify and develop leadership capabilities and behaviors in others.